So this video will show you how to go ahead and complete the time card in the Chrome browser. One important note is that you have to be logged into your district email account in order for this to work, and you have to be in the Chrome browser. You cannot use any other browser for this. Well, you'll get an email from me. It'll say my name here. It'll have your name in place of mine in the title, and it'll say invitation to collaborate. From here, you want to open that. Open the folder, which will contain 4 folders, one for each month remaining in the year, and March that we're filling out our time card for. Open up the folder for which you want to complete a time card, and then double click on the time card itself. Here you want to click on Open with Lumin PDF. If you have not connected Lumin PDF to your Google account, there will be a couple of screens that you'll have to go through in order to do that. And that starts with the blue button that will show up in the middle of the screen that says Connect to Google Drive, I believe it says. Once you have connected it, then the PDF will come up and you'll be able to go ahead and complete it right in the Chrome browser. You'll then go ahead and put your name and fill out all the associated fields that you need to complete for each month. And if I spell my name correctly, this would go a lot faster. Some of the time cards have drop-down menus. This one here is for the month. This one here is for the site or department. There's also illness codes on this, and you simply pull down, click on it, and it puts it in the place for you. And then you move on to the next. If you want to remove it, simply go to the blank and it will make it blank again. Once you navigate through the entire thing, on each of the time cards there's a check to receive a copy after payroll has processed. If you would like a copy, please go ahead and check that. And then in place of your signature, you're going to just simply type your name. And then you're going to do 2 things. Very, very important how you do these. So I want to make sure that I go through them thoroughly. The first is you want to save a copy for yourself. And that's this button that looks like an arrow going up into a cloud. Click on that. And then you want to click on Google Drive. Click Choose, create a copy, and then sync. Here it's going to tell you that you are creating a copy of the file that you just worked on, and it's going to place it in your Google Drive, and then you simply click Sync to Google Drive. You get a pop-up menu that says Success. It was successfully synced. And then one last step is once your time card is complete, you want to send it to me using the Share button. Very, very important. You're going to type my email address in here. You're going to let it find me, and then you are going to click on the address itself down below in the window that it just opened up. And I want to share, I'm glad this came up this way because I want to click on it. It has to come up and put the email address in here and then come up with can comment. If it doesn't, it will not send it to me. So make sure that when you click on the window that opened up, that it sets the email address in like you see it here. You can then type a message to me if you would like, or simply click send. It's going to come up and say document uploaded successfully, and then take you back to the document that you just sent me. That will then have sent me the email. So make sure you follow all the steps. Again, be very careful that you're always using Chrome, that you're logged into your district email account, that you go here to save a copy for yourself, and then when you click Share and type in my email address, that you make sure that the window that pops up down below, that you click on it and it sets the address into the window that you're typing into. Again, by clicking on this. It's already been added at this point, so it will not allow me to do it again. But just make sure that you follow those instructions, and then I'll get a copy of it.